Dismantling a BMW E46 rear door main trim panel. Before we dismantle it. Step 1. Remove the attachment clips. Before removal. After removal. Step 2. Remove the mid-range speaker. After removal. Step 3. Remove the speaker cover. Before removal. After removal. Step 4. Remove the trim retaining plugs. Before removal. During removal. After removal. Step 5. Remove the cosmetic collar. During removal. After removal. Our company's name is OCLS, an acronym for Old Car Life Extension Systems. We sell high-quality, used, OEM replacement BMW parts on eBay. The link in the description below lists parts that might be damaged or missing during the procedure just described.